Hey everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel, episode 2 of my creating a vintage eat-in corner in my kitchen. So last week, if you watch episode 1, you know that I removed the counter that was here, cleaned up everything and started patching holes. I'm probably going to do a second coat of the patch just to make sure I get everything nice and smooth. And today I'm going to remove these 2 prints and install floating shelves. Those floating shelves are going to be for the smaller items that are my CorningWare items. So like the sugar, creamer, the ketchup, you know, things like that, the salt and pepper. They're gonna go on those shelves so that way it frees up a little bit of space for more bigger items. On my shelf over there, are you hearing my knee pop? It's pretty bad. And then I have the TV all the way up there. I'm going to take it down and I'm going to move it to the other side. And that was my knee again. I'm going to move it to the other side. It was up here because I had my office at the counter, and when I was watching TV, or, you know, we like having the TV in the kitchen because we can listen to music and listen to the news or whatever as we prepping food. So we don't want to part with the TV, but if I'm going to do a sitting area exactly where I'm standing, you can't watch TV like this, so it's got to be taken down and move to the other side. That's what I'm doing today, so let's get started. So I said in last week's video that I wasn't married to those, and I am not. I can't remember if I found them at a thrift store or if they were street finds. They are signed, but you know, they have water damage. They may have been a street find. That's why they got water damage. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna keep them. So this is gonna go, and I got to patch these holes as well. Let me show you the shelves. So I've been doing a project in my living room that's actually on my Patreon right now, and that involved floating shelves. If you've ever seen those, these are pretty cool. The bracket is hidden inside the shelf itself, and that allows you to have those shelves on the wall with that bracket supporting them. And I have extra. Lo and behold, they fit right here. So we're gonna have one here, and another one here, another one here, and probably just 4. And I think I have 4, so that's perfect. Yeah. And again, they're for my little CorningWare stuff. Let me show you. Like items like this. So they don't need to be super high, but it's going to be perfect. But first, I gotta adjust the TV. And that, I have no idea how I'm going to do it because Scott is the one who installed it. I'm assuming I gotta remove the TV first, then the bracket. Oh boy. How is this installed? Oh, I think it's these that you remove. The TV is really dirty. It's really bad. Let me remove this. I gotta remove these. So that's done and it's all clean. I'm going to patch those holes and some of the holes here from old stuff and do a second coat, and I'm just gonna wait for it to dry before I can sand. You know, in all honesty, I don't know if I can fit the TV on the other side. We may have to forego the TV. I don't know about that. Sand this, give it a quick paint. And then Scott is switching the bracket for the TV the other way. So instead of opening up like this, it's going to open down. So we can have the TV above the other window, and then we can lower it or raise it. While Scott is installing the bracket, I'm going to install my shelves. And those shelves are really cool because they came in with those stick-on markers that tell you exactly what to drill. And once you have them all set up, all you gotta do is drill where the little holes are. Each shelf comes with brackets like this. Just screw them in, and then the shelf gets inserted into those brackets. It's really clever. here we go. I got 4 shelves. Non-intrusive, nobody's bumping into them. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my stuff, and I'm gonna start putting it up there. And then I gotta clean up everything, and I'll show you what I've done for today. Okay, here's my little shelf, and love it. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. I get it. That's what I collect, all right? Everybody has, or those who collect, you know, people collect all sorts of things. This is what I collect. The CorningWare Spice of Life for various reasons. One, I like the vintage look. Two, it's all written in French, and I keep on joking that they made everything in that pattern but the sink, really, and I'm pretty sure somebody came up with a way of doing a sink with it. So I put a towel on that because those slide. I guess, I don't know, I'm going to put some museum putty on them. And yes, there was a tragedy. I broke the syrup. Please, nobody goes out there and buy it for me. I appreciate the thought. I already found it and it's already replaced. I'll get it by the end of next week. So I'm missing the syrup, and the syrup will go right here. Actually, I may move the salt and pepper. Yeah, I'll move them here. Now you see this slides. I think the shelf is a little bit tilting forward. Yeah, it is. All right, I gotta fix it because we don't want another tragedy. But anyway, all right, I got everything to clean, and I'll show you what we did today, and then I'll say goodbye. But otherwise, I did everything I said I was gonna do. And I know you're probably wondering, why did I not paint the bottom here? Well, I'll tell you why. First, I still have to sand it. 2, wallpaper. Half wall, picked by Scott. Pattern overload is what we're looking for. Moody pattern overload. Just saying you know, next week I'm installing wallpaper and you are going to hate it. And that's okay, because that's the one we picked and we want. All right. Here goes, all clean and ready for tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow is not wallpaper. Tomorrow is other stuff that I gotta do. But there's going to be curtains and wallpaper, half the wall in wallpaper, all 1950s atomic type pattern, and that's what we want. So I just cleaned the whole floor. I have this done. So there's going to be 2 panels here. We're keeping the shade. I hate those, but we're keeping the shade. So I have those little shelves, and what they're doing is that they are helping me streamline a little bit more over here. Looks better, I guess, because it's all the square stuff. And then on this side, we have the TV. I'm probably gonna get a different bracket. We can't lift it. That bracket was not meant to be vertical. That's all right. But for now it's there and it works. And it's not that I don't want it to block the window, because most of the time we have the shade down anyway. So it's not like I'm losing light. And then even if I am, we're okay with that because we like dark and moody. So I know. We like dark and moody. I don't know what to say. It's just, that's just the way we are. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. So tomorrow, if I'm getting the curtains, I'll do the curtains. Not gonna lie, about a shower curtain I have to cut. I have the little bracket, so I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do cafe curtain or full length. I think I want to do full length. And then I got a little shelf here that goes in front of the window. That's plexiglass to put little pots on it. Shade loving plants, because the sun comes in, rises over there, and then it turns this way and then it disappears. So we get the sun right here, right on time for breakfast, and all the way up to about 11 a.m. and then no more sun. So that's perfect. Anyway, that's what it looks like for now. So you let me know how you like it so far. Not, you know, the TV, I'm gonna go and look for a different bracket. I'm not crazy about that bracket. I'm gonna see if I can find one that's very slim. That's like one of the earlier brackets, so I'm sure there's better systems now to get the TV where it needs to be. And then this is just like, well, you know, this is it. I love it. And that's it. Willie and I just cleaned the window. I don't know if you can tell, but the window have been washed. And yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Next week, wallpaper. And then we're building. I will see you later. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe in the corner. Click that bell button so you get notified anytime I get a new video. You see how the light changes? Because I have different quality bulbs. And that would be it. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.